Hey, Mr. G, and I'm going to be going over a major pentatonic scale with a root on the fifth string. In this scenario, we're going to be going over the E major pentatonic scale. So let me find the root there on the fifth string, seventh fret with my pinky finger, and that's the E. Then I use my index finger and play the fourth string, fourth fret. Then I use my ring finger and play the fourth string, sixth fret. Then I use my index finger and play the third string, fourth fret. Then I use my ring finger and play the third string, sixth fret. Then I use my middle finger and play the second string, fifth fret. Then I use my pinky and play the second string, seventh fret. Then use my index finger and play the first string, fourth fret. Then I use my pinky and play the first string, seventh fret. Then I use my index finger and slide it up to the first string, ninth fret, and play that note. And then I'll land it there with my pinky on the first string, 12th fret. So it sounds like this. Again, that's a major pentatonic scale with a root on the fifth string. Hope you enjoy the video. Keep on jamming.